Just moments from town, but a world away, this 110-acre property offers a 4-bedroom homestead, 9 stables, 15 paddocks, a fully operational shearing shed, and so much more. If you're looking for the ultimate equine lifestyle, I'm Georgie Smith from Wilson Partners, and this is 185 Osheas Road, Kilmore East.
As time goes by, won't keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, won't keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. The weight of the world on your shoulders, always ending up the same. Crescent moons have all gone home. We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point of messed up. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. I still hold you in my arms when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh.